Hey guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. So I have some exciting video. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather MagSafe case here. And I also have some iPhone 12 Pro contents coming to the channel. I have the MagSafe charger and some other accessories. So I kind of ordered the case with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but somehow in Apple's infinite wisdom, they decided to send me the case without the phone. So I just want to make this video as kind of an introduction to the iPhone 12 Pro Max content I'm going to be putting out very soon. So if you want to see a lot of those contents, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notifications when I post these new videos. Now let's jump into the boxing and see how the leather case is. It's pretty simple. You just need to pull this pull tab. It's really nice that Apple has put a pull tab on the packaging this year. So just pull this out and you have the case itself, pretty standard. Let's put this aside. Okay, we have some paperwork and no Apple stickers. Okay. Now, moving on to the case itself, we have, you can see the MagSafe ring inside here, and it has this very soft interior. It's like a felt. This is most likely to protect your phone against scratches. So, and also it's kind of has a suede feel to it. So when you have dust coming in through the camera and the mute switch, it's just going to absorb the dust and not allow it stick onto your phone. So that's really nice. You can see here it says iPhone designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And on this side here we have this aluminum button. One thing I like is the gradient. So you have a kind of different shade of brown or the color on the button itself. And on the right side, we can also see the on the left side, we can see the volume button itself. It feels very clicky, very tactile. When I have the phone, I'm gonna put it on and tell you how it feels, how the button feels. At the bottom, we have the cutout for the speaker grill and the charging port. It's kind of different from last year where they were all just open, but now it's more like covered with a cutout. And this is, the leather kind of feels really good. You have this Apple logo embossed here. And on top, you have this plastic also with a different gradient of brown. And it gives it that raised edge for protection against your camera. So if you put it on the table, it gives it more like a stable shock on the table. One thing with leather cases is that after a while, when it begins to age, you have this kind of patina, and it's most likely from absorbing the oil and just basically the environment. So when it ages, it gives it a different kind of feel. So those that are really into leather, they love to see this. But if you are not really into leather, you would just think it's just very old. But that's what leather enthusiasts are looking for, to that patina. If you take a look at this wallet, so you get a lot of wrinkles and it looks a little bit shiny. And that's what people that get leather cases are always looking forward to as the leather begins to age. So we don't really have a smartphone to test this out. There are a few questions a lot of people asked, how the leather case, how the MagSafe would react to different objects and how it will fare over time. Apple actually says you get kind of a mark at the back after a while when you use the MagSafe. So I will do like a 6-month review of using this case. So again, you should subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with how the leather case goes. It looks like you're really paying a lot of money for this. It feels very premium, it should be premium. It's about $59. If you're going to pay almost $60 for a case, it should feel premium. Now we're going to try a few objects. So for here, I have just like a pin, and have some coins, and I have my key. So this most of the times, these things that could be in your pocket. For example, this, the pin sticks onto the case itself. And so your case could probably pick up needles and pins over time. So you should be watchful for that. We're going to try some coins. Okay, so coins basically are not really metal. They are mostly made of alloys. So it doesn't really stay onto the MagSafe. So that's really one thing to note. For keys also, it's almost the same. It doesn't, your key wouldn't stick onto the MagSafe case. So yes, you shouldn't have any problem with metallic objects. The magnet in the MagSafe is not such a strong magnet, so it shouldn't really pick up stuff. I'm just going to try this on the fridge. Someone wanted to know if it could stick onto a fridge. So I will try this and you would say. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, also subscribe to my channel. I have a screen protector video coming and also a kit from Spigen. We also have some accessories like the MagSafe charger, but we'll wait till we get the iPhone so we can test this out and see how they work with the case. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Peace.